Hello everyone, I have good news for you. We are accepting applications again for our free training hands-on experience under my Australian-based business CForce. It will commence on the 7th of September, that's a Monday, and it will run for 1 week. For those who do not know me yet, my name is Maya Davis. I run a business based in Melbourne, Australia that provides remote professionals, virtual assistants, or freelancers to clients based in the US, Australia, and Canada. Now, to qualify for the free training, you must have no prior experience as a VA or freelancer. You must be interested in research, lead generation, and data entry, and you must be a good team player. For consideration, you may send your CV and your cover letter stating why you would like to join the free training. So the purpose of this free training is to give way to those who are starting in their journey as a VA or freelancer. You will learn tips and tested strategy to get your own clients and offer research and lead generation to your clients as well. So yes, you can offer this as a service to your clients. You will also get tips from an experienced person in this industry for 15 years, and that's me. I will share everything that I know to help you start as a VA or freelancer. So if you are just starting and you're interested to join this training, send your CV and your cover letter to cforceworkshop@gmail.com. Again, that's cforceworkshop@gmail.com. I also would like to share with you this video of one of our attendees and how I was able to add value to her VA or freelancing journey.
Hello, my name is Dayanara and I am from Laguna. I-share ko po sa inyo kung paano ako nag-start bilang isang virtual assistant. Nagsimula din ako sa walang alam. Nagsimula din ako sa pag-research at paghahanap ng kasagutan sa mga tanong na paano ba magsimula ang isang virtual assistant? Ano ba ang mga kailangan? So, bago po ako naging isang virtual assistant, ako po ay isang online seller. Alam naman po natin na hindi madali ang maging online seller lalo na kapag lumuluwas ka ng Divisoria. So, nung una, wala talaga akong idea what is a virtual assistant. Kaya, nagsikap talaga ako na mag-invest sa mga kagamitan or equipments like laptop, internet connection. So, yun na nga po, nag-enroll ako sa isang online course. And after ko makagraduate, nag-try na akong mag-apply. But then, ang hirap mag-apply, lalo na't ang taas ng kompetisyon ngayon, pandemic. Halos lahat gusto mag-work from home. Halos lahat nagja-job hunting. That's why I tried searching. Ewan ko, pero ba't ako napadpad sa group ni Miss Maya Davis? Nag-o-offer sila ng internship. At meron din siyang YouTube channel, Miss Maya Davis. May mga free trainings siya doon at pwede niyo pong gawing portfolios iyon na makatutulong sa inyo para ma-build ang skills nyo. Magagamit nyo yon kapag magsisend na kayo ng cover letter, i-attach nyo yung portfolio nyo doon sa cover letter. So, malaki ang naging tulong sa akin ni Miss Maya Davis dahil ang CForce Global ay nakapag-internship ako sa kanila at nung matapos na ay nag-try akong mag-apply and then sa cover letter ko, in-include ko ang CForce Global bilang reference. So, binigyan nila ako ng magandang feedback at natanggap ako bilang part-time na assistant sa isang client sa Las Vegas, Nevada. And pangalawa is, nagkaroon din ako ng another part-time I found it naman through Instagram. Nagli-lead generation ako, ginagawa ko yun sa Instagram and I found it very effective. So, yun lang. I now have 2 part-times. Hindi na masama dahil simple lang naman ang buhay na meron kami. And kung gusto nyo pong matuto ng virtual assistance, hanapin nyo po si Miss Maya Davis sa YouTube. At ito nga po pala ang aking work from home setup. Makikita nyo dyan sa screen. Miss Maya Davis, hanapin nyo po sa YouTube at mag-subscribe kayo sa kanyang YouTube channel and panoorin nyo po ang mga trainings niya. Live, mayroon siyang recorded trainings na pwede nyong gawin and malaki ang magiging tulong nito sa inyo. Thank you!